Welcome to the Pictory AI review. As a professional video producer, I have found Pictory AI to be an incredible tool for creating high-quality videos with ease. With Pictory AI, you can simply input an article from the web or a script, add images, and watch as it transforms them into a visually stunning video. One feature that I particularly love is the ability to add subtitles to videos, although my focus today will be on scripted videos. To get started, all you need to do is paste in your text and click Proceed. You can choose your preferred aspect ratio, such as 16:9, and Pictory AI takes care of the rest. One of the impressive things about Pictory AI is its use of stock media from Storyblocks. The stock media is of high quality and is automatically integrated into the video, along with sound effects and music. However, it's worth noting that sometimes the generated scenes may not be exactly what you're looking for, but they can easily be customized. Pictory AI also offers a range of styles for scene transitions and text appearance, allowing you to tailor the video to your specific needs. For example, you can choose a style that's perfect for Instagram or other platforms. The editing process in Pictory AI is intuitive and straightforward. You can easily add, delete, or split scenes to create a video that flows seamlessly. I found the ability to link scenes together particularly useful, as it keeps the same visual elements while changing the text, ensuring consistency throughout the video. In addition to video editing, Pictory AI also offers brand settings, where you can add a logo, intro, title, and outros to create a consistent brand image for your videos. This is a great feature for maintaining a professional look and feel across all your content. Lastly, Pictory AI provides a wide selection of music tracks to choose from, and you can preview them before making a final selection. This allows you to find the perfect soundtrack to complement your video. In conclusion, Pictory AI is an excellent tool for creating professional-looking videos with ease. Its intuitive editing process, high-quality stock media, and customization options make it a top choice for video production services. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, Pictory AI can help you create engaging videos that captivate your audience.